Hey guys, it's me, Shania, and making money. So we just did a video already about making slime,
but that got deleted somehow.
So now
we're gonna be showing you step by
step.
step.
This is how my slime looks like now, just filled with lotion. So I don't pull.
So she said either you can buy some slime and make some slime and add lotion to it. In the process of making slime, add lotion.
You can add any
right
lotion.
Now, this is what my slime looks like right now. It gets stretchy. But then peace. Keep on adding lotion until your slime is Wait. So we're gonna keep on adding it until it's stretchy and stuff like that.
So now I shook it up, and this is what I got. So now I'm gonna get some tissue, pick that up.
You might wanna really see what's going on. So I rub the lotion like that.
So we get more tissue. So we're
gonna
be back.
Hi guys, we're back, and this is really clicky. This is really clicky now, and it makes more sense. But before the whole color changed. Look, I knew it was gonna happen. Look, it changed before. Remember, it was all those colors.
What?
Remember, it was all those colors. It was green, blue, and yellow. Like my slime was green, blue, and yellow before, and now it's just
I don't know what it did.
Blue.
Oh my god.
How'd you do that?
Oh no.
Now the slime could get stuck, and now you don't have slime.
What? My slime got stuck? That's not even slime. That's the tissue.
Oh, I was about to say, if you put tissue in your slime's gonna turn out.
That's what I tell people. Don't put tissue. Don't put
people
slime
say
on
tissue works sometimes. I don't believe it though, because last time I added tissue, I added a lot.
I have a lot of lotion. My slime is so slippery.
Sticky. Like I just added
but
it.
Not sticky. So this is what my slime looks like.
Hers is really small. Mine's is really
just
big.
Rub it.
Oh my gosh.
Hers is too big. It's bigger than mine, so it will work better.
No, it won't. Some big slimes do not work. I don't know what you're talking about.
And also, my slime was white until I added the lotion. Now it's silver.
Yes, it is. It's because the glitter, too.
I didn't even add glitter.
There was glitter in it originally, remember?
No, just a few little pieces and the lotion.
Because the glitter blended in with the lotion, so now...
Jesus.
But this doesn't even feel like putty no more.
Can I eat it?
It feels like slime.
Alright, so now I'm going to put my little slime back in its original container.
And we're going to be doing our slime collection soon.
So, my hands are
Stay
so
tuned
sticky.
for that. And this is not my channel, this is
my channel, so check it out when you can, or if you want to. My videos are horrible usually, so
this is probably going to be her first best video.
Maybe you can do a Roblox video later.
Yeah, stay tuned for that. So about my hands, they're like so greasy.
So, bye guys.
What are you doing? They're doing your outro.
Outro? Do it for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. The slime process is really hard.
Like, this is gonna be a long video, but like, it's already 4 minutes and 33 seconds. 36 now.
This is gonna be hard if you're doing it alone, so try and do it with your friend, or my best friend. My slime is getting stickier by the minute.
No, stretchy.
Stretchier by the minute. If you keep adding lotion, it will become as big as this.
Yeah, just keep on adding lotion. Or if you don't have lotion and you have borax, just use the borax method, because the borax method also works. So keep on playing with it.
And then
I got
it will
fix.
eventually become really big. My slime is bigger. Alright, I gotta drink some juice. I'm just putting lotion all over my body.
Orange juice. It's like more of an orange slushy. Mine was never this clicky. Like, I really want you guys to get the Suave. This one.
Because it works really good.
And it makes your thing like
But
slime.
if you use other lotion, then I don't know how it will work.
It will work, but it wasn't. I don't think it will make it this clicky. This thing is like when she's done kneading it, it might be like as clicky as this, and people are gonna think she has the biggest slime in the world, but it's like this tiny. It's met.
So we have to keep adding lotion. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's add more lotion.
No, we can't use all of this stuff.
I know.
Still need some.
You already have a big slime. I don't have a little
No,
slime.
I'm making mine smoother now by just poking it. And oh, mine's is clear.
Yes.
I forgot that.
Yes, it is.
Mine's is like really clear. Oh, like you guys are gonna be like, what is she talking about? Her slime is not clear. This is blue. But when you stretch it,
it's actually clear.
Actually clear. Right now, the lotion is kind of fogging it up, so you might not see no more clear.
And my
until a while,
lotiony, so you can just rub it on your body,
or at least do some
Shania,
hand
can
work.
you help me?
Hold
Can
on.
you help me? Can you do
Hold
it
on,
for
wait.
me?
You go play with my slime, add lotion, like spread it out, and then poke it.
Alright, let me do mine then.
Wait, this sticker's gonna get my slime down here.
Jesus.
It's not sticky. You can't play with slime like that. You gotta stretch it. Not keep it in one hand. Because it's not fully done. You can't just start. Just do this and add lotion and do this. This is the second best slime I ever made. The first one was my blue one. It was like this and it's scented, but then it got thrown out because it was like really like it wasn't slime. It was just like couldn't even poke.
It was too sticky?
Yeah, and it couldn't. It was like this. You couldn't even do this.
So
Like you see how you can hear the poking sounds?
actually,
you couldn't even do that.
The slime tutorial is very easy. You can do it at home.
So we're gonna
Or
actually
anywhere.
end this vlog
So
today. And we're gonna do a before and after later on in one of our videos. So stay tuned for that and bye. Hello.